Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizka Amelia. I'm from 12 Science 4 Senior High School 1 Muaro Jambi. On this occasion, I will show to you how to make a traditional cake that is Dadar Gulung. The ingredients we need are flour, egg, coconut cream, sugar, brown sugar, grated coconut, and pandan paste. Then the tools we need are cauldron, spatula, mug, plate, knife, and spoon. The steps to make a cake are: first, add all the ingredients such as flour, sugar, coconut milk, and eggs. Stir until evenly mixed. Then, add a little pandan paste to color the dough, and keep stirring until well blended. Then, prepare for the filling. Enter the brown sugar, granulated sugar, and a little salt into the pan. Stir until the sugar dissolves. After the sugar is dissolved, add the grated coconut and let it mix well. After that, transfer it to the bowl. The next step is to heat the teflon. Grease the surface with cooking oil. Put 1 tablespoon of the dough into the teflon. Then, cook until the color changes to a clear green. Once cooked, then remove and cool first. After that, take a sheet of dough that has been cooked. Then fill it with the stuffing that has been cooked earlier. Then fold and roll. Now, the cake is ready to serve. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.